Hi, this is Guy, and this is Little Shelf Guy. I have a question for you, Guy. I was sitting at the kitchen table eating breakfast this morning, and I noticed a very tiny maggot on the table. What do you think that was? And where did it come from? That's a great question. The most likely answer is that you were eating fruit on the table, or you had it sitting on the table for some other reason. It is also possible that you were preparing vegetables on the table as well. You are correct. I was eating an apple at the time, and I had it lying on the table before I ate it. I don't understand, though. Where did that maggot come from? Well, most people know that you can get fruit flies on rotting fruits and vegetables, but they don't realize how they got there in the first place. You see, the flies didn't just miraculously appear from nowhere. The truth is that there were fly eggs or larvae on the fruit when you brought it home from the store. If you failed to wash it off, not only will those eggs turn into maggots and flies at some point, but you will actually be eating those things as well. The reason you cannot see the eggs, and oftentimes the maggots, is because they are very small. The eggs are only about 0.5 millimeters or about 0.02 inches in length, and the larvae, or the maggots, are only about 3 or 4 millimeters or about 1/8 of an inch in length. So they are very hard to see with the naked eye. Therefore, if you do not wash your fruits and vegetables when you get them home, or you do not wash them well enough, then you may be eating maggots. Okay, that's pretty gross. So is it harmful to eat fruit fly maggots? Well, harmful or not, I don't like the thought of eating maggots. However, I'm sure that people do it all the time without realizing it. Most of the time, if you are consuming just a few of them, it will probably do no harm whatsoever. But that doesn't mean it cannot do harm. If you eat enough of them, if they are contaminated in some way with bacteria, or if you are allergic to them, then it is possible that you could run into issues. Mostly, though, I just agree with you. It's really just gross. So, if you would prefer not to eat maggots, then I recommend washing all fruits and vegetables when you get them home and use mechanical action. That is to say, run them under cold water and wipe them with a paper towel or something while you are rinsing them off to remove any eggs or larvae that may exist. They actually sell fruit cleaning brushes on Amazon for about $10. One last question. If I wash the eggs and larvae down the drain, can that cause a fruit fly infestation in the drain? That's a good question. This will most likely not result in an infestation in the drain, but I cannot rule it out entirely. However, if you do get an infestation in the drain, it's pretty simple to treat. Just buy a can of Raid ant and roach killer and spray it down the drain for about 3 seconds just before you go to bed, and let it work overnight. In the morning, no more fruit flies in the drain. Yeah, it's really that easy. Okay, that's it for us today. Be well, my friends, and thank you so much for watching.